guys, today we're gonna do unboxing again. This is actually from my sister-in-law. She's from Guam and we just got it today. So my husband will be the one who's gonna do the unboxing. Alright, let's see what's inside, you guys. There. What's inside? What's inside? The box is a bit bigger, but it's not that heavy. Let's see what's inside.
What is this?
Wow.
Oh, lion
Lions Cup.
district.
So since we are a member of Lions Club, they send us the whole thing. Cup. What's the other one? Oh, t-shirt.
One for you and one for me. This is mine.
Alright. Green and yellow, it's the color, right?
Yeah, this is mine.
So those two are mine, I guess.
This is yours, Nancy.
Alright. And what's that?
Oh, for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look at that, you guys. It's jade roller. Oh, so sweet. Thank you, Lota. And what about that? Oh, there's a lot. Keychain.
Pins.
Pin. Lion's pin. And a lot more. Oh, that's my sister-in-law. She's really so sweet. And what is that? Best.
Wow. Wanna try?
Best. Wow. Guahan. Guam and
One.
oh. All right.
Ready?
So mine is green, right? Oh, I love the color. No. I can see your big tummy. This is mine. Oh, I love the color. Oh, they are reversible. You can use the other side and the other
really?
side. Yeah. So what else do we have in there? Nothing. Just that. The diva. Oh, this is a pamphlet, I guess. Yeah.
What's the contract? Oh, our certificate.
Oh, I see.
No, it's not
Okay.
certificate.
All right. It's a pamphlet and yeah, right. Okay, that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.